polar bear polar bear 北极熊 polar 北极的 bear 熊 The bear live in the polar The bear live in the polar 北极熊 Polar bear 北极熊 Bee 蜜蜂蜜蜂 Bee 蜜蜂 Bee Hummingbird 蜂鸟 Hummingbird 蜂鸟 Hummingbird 蜂鸟 Alpaca 羊驼 Alpaca 羊驼 Alpaca 羊驼 Alpaca Raccoon 浣熊 Raccoon 浣熊 Raccoon Leopard 豹 Leopard 豹 Leopard 豹 Leopard Hyena 土狼 It also called white dog 土狼 hyena 土狼 hyena 土狼 albatross 土豚 albatross 土豚 albatross 土豚 owl 猫头鹰 In Chinese, because the bird looked like a cat, so we say 猫头 The head looked like a cat, so we say 猫头 猫头 means the cat's head. Owl 猫头鹰 In means eagle 猫头鹰 Owl Alligator 鳄鱼 Alligator 鳄鱼 Alligator 鳄鱼 Crocodile 鳄鱼 Crocodile 鳄鱼 Crocodile is smaller than alligator. Crocodile is smaller than alligator. 鳄鱼 crocodile, crocodile, 鳄鱼 albatross, albatross, 信天翁 albatross, albatross, 信天翁 albatross, albatross, 信天翁信天翁 cockroach, 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 蟑螂 cockroach, 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 蟑螂蟑螂 cockroach, cockroach, 蟑螂蟑螂 bobcat, 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 山猫 cat is a 猫 bobcat, bobcat, 山猫 bobcat, 山猫 pony, 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 小马 pony, 小马 pony, 小马小马 pony, the small size of a horse, the small size of a horse, 小马 pony, pony, 小马 pony. That's the lesson for today. See you next time. Bye bye.